everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So today I have a really quick and easy one for you. It's probably going to be my last Halloween because I still have Thanksgiving and I'm really getting into the Christmas projects now. So this is a little Halloween treat holder, and it's just holding these little Kit Kats. You can put any kind of candy in here. The little candy bars probably, I'm thinking maybe a Kit Kat would even fit in here, but you can put some Ghirardellis, some of the little miniature candies I'm pretty sure would all fit in this, but it's a really quick and easy one. So let's get started. You are going to need a piece of crumb cake. This is 5.5 by 4.5. And then to mat it, you'll need one piece that is 1 3/4 by 4.5, which I'm going to use this side this time. And then this piece is 1.5 by 4.5, and I'm going to mat it a little bit different. On the last one, I actually used the plaid tidings, and I used this piece right here. Whoops. See if I can grab it. This piece right here, and then I used the Designer Series paper and the Cajun Craze, and I used this side for on top. So if you like that one, you can do it that way. But today I'm just going to use the Cajun Craze, and I'm using both sides of it. And then you do need to use the dies that coordinate with the stamp set, which is the Have a Hoot. And I'm using this little pumpkin here, little owl with the pumpkin here, and then this little owl you can use as well. It's so cute. This is even a Halloween one right here. And then these are the dies. They're the Pika-Hoot dies, and it comes with all the dies for the owls. And then it also comes with these dies, which we're using today. And these are 3 different frames. We're going to use this middle one right here, and then I'm using this spider web. And I already cut these out. So these come in. Here's the spider web, and then here are the 3 different sizes. And we're using this one right here today. Then you do need a piece for the little boo that we're going to stamp, which is this boo right here. And we are going to cut it as small as we can to fit on this project. All right, so that is everything. Let's go ahead and score this. Very simple scoring. So on the 5.5 side, you're going to score it at 2 and 2.5. And then on the 4 1/4 or 4.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2 and 4, or it's 1/2 on each side. That's it. And I like the crumb cake for this, but you can definitely use Cajun Craze or any of the other colors that coordinate with it. So we're just cutting up the sides here. And we'll sharpen these. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to put adhesive on this side right here. And this is the shorter side. I'm just using my Stampin' CL Plus on this one. And then you're just going to pull it up and line it up. And that's your basic box right there. Very, very quick and easy. So on this one, we are going to just mat it. And you can measure this and score a 1/2 inch on each side. But what I did was I just put adhesive. I'm going to use my regular Stampin' Seal here for this. I put it on both sides, and then just a strip down the middle. And then you could just line it up here on the side and then fold it around. Just makes it really quick. And then we'll do the same with our other piece. This is our top matted piece. You can definitely add more adhesive if you want on these. And then just line this one up in the middle of your last one. And then I like this one. I think I'm going to like this a little bit better. I love the polka dots though, so. All right, and then we are going to stamp our image here, and we're just going to stamp the little owl with Memento Black because we are going to color them. And then on this piece, I'm going to stamp the boo, and I'll just cut that out when we get to that part. And I think I'm going to use the light and dark Cajun Craze this time. I used Pumpkin Pie last time, but I think since this is all Cajun Craze right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color it Cajun Craze, and then I'm going to just use the dark to kind of highlight a little bit of it. It's really, really simple coloring. I am not doing anything other than just shading a tiny bit. And you probably want to stick with the little smaller tip here, not the brush tip, because this image is small. And then we'll use the dark. And I started just showing my coloring, and if you'd like to skip through it, just feel free to skip through it, because I know some people don't want to sit and watch me color, but then others do, so I'm going to give you a choice. I think I'm going to just add a little bit of darker in here. And then I'll just go over it again a little bit with the lighter just to blend that all together. All right, now we are going to go ahead and color the owl. We're going to do him gray. And this one is light smoky slate. You can even have your kids help you with this. And then we're going to use the light Mango Melody for his eyes. And then I'm just going to use my bronze for the stem here. I think I'm going to put some of the Mango Melody in do the pumpkin's eyes the same. Let's change it up. Yeah. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut that. And I'm just going to cut it pretty close to the letters, just to make it small. There's a Happy Happy Halloween sentiment on here you can also use. And then I am using the Ornate Garden Ribbon Combo Pack. And I am using this one, which I'm pretty sure it's terracotta tile, although it matches this Cajun Craze really well, so maybe I'm wrong. Someone will probably tell me. But I'm going to just use this little hole here, the tag part, and we are going to just tie a knot. I think I put the wrong end through, so let me just give me enough here. So let's put this in here. And then I am going to tie a bow. You can even just knot it if it's like for a boy. You can just knot it and be done with it, I'm just going to go ahead and tie a bow. We're just making a small one. It's funny because when I first started making treat holders and stuff for my grandson and his class, and he's almost 13 now, but he'd always tell me no bows on it. So I'm pretty aware of what kids and stuff like and they don't like when they're that age. Well, not 13, but he was a lot younger then. This has been quite a few years. I'm just adding adhesive to the back. And we are putting, oops, I forgot to put the spider web on, so we'll just lift that up and put this in here. I'm just going to use it on the back. And then we'll put that back here. I really do like the polka dots. I like it better. And then we're going to grab the boo and we are going to put that up with a dimensional. We're going to actually use 2 on this one. I'm using the minis, so we're going to just use 2. And we're going to put that one right there. Isn't it cute? It's very quick and easy. And I don't have any more little treats, but how about if we put 2 in each? I bet a Kit Kat bar would fit in these as well. But I thought they're really cute and really quick and easy. All right, everybody, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.